Hey guys, welcome back. I just wanted to show this quick video of my new monitor, the LG. And basically anybody who's looking to buy this, obviously it's known to be not very bright, but I mean, as you can see in this quick little video that I'm playing, the brightness is a non-issue at all. No issue whatsoever. But the trick here is that you simply just gotta go into the settings, because obviously you have it on Gamer 1, which you want Gamer 1 due to DOS mode being on. But now let's go back over here. Go down to your picture adjust. Obviously you want your brightness at 100, and your contrast is what further enhances the brightness of the whites and everything else, which I turned mine up to 80. 80 or 100, obviously depending on your choice, what you like better, but it does make it substantially brighter. Aside from that, you can go to your gamma as well. I have mine set to 1. Color temp also, which I have set to basically custom. But if you go here, typically vivid is the brightest, as you can tell, but now I can match the vivid by turning up my Gamer 1 settings. You can clearly see the difference there. As you can tell, Gamer 1 is not very far off from that whatsoever. Whoops. We were clicking buttons. Okay. Sorry about that. Yeah, basically I just want to make this quick video for you guys who are actually looking into buying one of these, because aside from that, I didn't know that the contrast would increase the brightness in the white. I was actually willing to send it back, considering I didn't like it how it came stock. The contrast was set to 50 out of the box, and even for me, like I'm not really one that needs a really bright monitor. I mean, especially considering I play in a dark room, but even still, if I open a curtain or something like that, it really doesn't affect it now. It's a non-issue anymore. But like I was saying, simply adjust your contrast and the other settings that I showed, and I mean, it's plenty bright. And I would actually recommend buying this monitor now as a result. Like, you simply can't go wrong with it whatsoever. But if you guys have any questions, comments, leave them down below, as well as if you want to support the channel, there will be a link in the description. I will be doing further reviews. I have my Bluebird microphone. I also have you can't even see them, but oh yeah, there you go, my Sennheiser HD 560S's. But I got quite a few more things that I'm going to review for everybody, give you an actual real review, what it's actually like, if they're actually worth buying. But I just want to touch base on this. Yes, it is dim out of the box, like everybody said, 100% agreed, but it's not like you can't fix it. Very simple. Increase the contrast, change the gamma setting, and you literally have a perfect monitor at that point, with colors and picture quality that pretty much is the best in my opinion. Like, I was nervous and I was going to send it back at first, until I figured out, like, once actually adjusting all the settings and stuff and the contrast ratio, it's perfect, as you can tell. I mean, it's absolutely beautiful. And even I'm looking at my phone that I'm recording with, and the colors on the monitor are actually better than what I'm looking at on the phone itself. But I highly recommend getting an OLED monitor, especially the LG. It's one of the only ones with HDMI 2.1. None of the other ones have it, which is crazy to me why they wouldn't have that, but yeah, that's all I wanted to let you guys know. Till next time, you guys take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy. Thanks for watching.